Have you ever opened your beans and see tiny insects like weevils moving inside your beans? Don't throw it away yet. Let me show you the easiest way to keep your beans fresh for months without chemicals. If today is your first time coming across my channel, hello, I am Ijeoma, and in this channel I make the best Nigeria food. I make it step by step so that you can easily recreate it at home. So feel free to check my other videos, okay? And if you like what you see, feel free to subscribe. Subscription is free. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for sticking to me, and let's continue with the rest of the video. Firstly, make sure your beans are completely dry. This step is very important. Any moisture can spoil everything. Next is to get a clean and airtight container. Yes, this helps block air and prevents the insects from entering. Now pour the beans the way I'm doing in this video. Pour the beans layer by layer, and after every layer you add dry peppers and some bay leaf. Yes, you heard me right, dry pepper and bay leaf is your combo. Some people add other things like cloves, but I have used this couple of times and it works wonders. All you have to make sure is your beans are dried, the container is airtight, and you have these two combo of bay leaves and dry pepper. The smell of dry pepper and bay leaf naturally repels weevils and other tiny insects. This keeps your beans safe from those things, from weevils and other insects, and it's not a chemical. If you try this, you will not go back to the old way of preserving beans. Yes, if you have light constantly, you can actually put beans in a Ziploc bag and put it in a freezer. It will keep your beans for years. But where you have power failure like this country all the time, you don't need to try that, because when your beans gets in contact with moisture and the power is not available, the bean starts getting funny ideas. So this is the best and easiest method, because everything we use in preserving these beans is relatively cheap and 100% natural. Will you be trying this? Leave me a comment in the comment section, okay? And tell me if you have ever tried this recipe, this particular method before. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it's helpful to you the way it's helpful to me. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do so. Bye.